Hello guys, good night. What? I just got done working out. I just got out the shower, and as you can see I have no makeup on because I'm about to do my skincare. This video I'm super excited about because I was sent a package of like the full skincare line of Mixsoon. I swear this is like the entire line. I will just show it to you guys really quickly. It's insane how much they sent actually. I'm just gonna go in the order of how I usually do my skincare. There's something I'm super excited about, and it is this Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil. It's just this Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil. I had to change the lighting a little bit. Let's open her up. It looks like this. Okay, this is what it looks like. I kind of mixed it up a little bit. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to move to my restroom to do this. So I'm just gonna show you guys the other cleansing products, and that way we can do it all whenever I go in there. The other cleansing product is the Centella Cleansing Foam. This is a cleansing foam. It has green lettering on it. We're gonna move into my restroom and use these two really quickly. The first thing that I notice is my skin feels very clean, but without feeling stripped. My skin just isn't super like stripped of everything compared to my usual cleanser. Okay, so I just finished cleansing, and I genuinely feel like my skin is as far as like sebum and stuff like that. Whoa, wait a minute. I think it did get. Whoa. Oh my gosh, there's no like texture on my. Usually I have texture in this area and like right here, but it's kind of like gone. Okay, let's move on to the skincare because this might be revolutionary. Maybe I should just have been using cleansing oil to begin with, and this one just might be the perfect one. Usually after my cleanser I do toner. So there's three things. There's milk pads. I feel like this is more of a makeup prep thing, but we can go ahead and open that anyways. Okay, so it comes in these little individual packs. 3 sheets of toner pad, which is interesting. So you can probably take them out and put them on your cheeks or your forehead. So this I will definitely be using for my makeup prep. And then this toner. Okay, this is the toner. She's clear, she's here.
She's clear and she's here.
After washing my face, take an appropriate amount and wet it with cotton pads. Okay, so I need cotton pads. Be right back. All the cotton pads I have left from H-E-B. Thank you, H-E-B. Yeah, so it definitely made my skin feel clean, but just in a different way than what I'm usually feeling. Usually I use my like drugstore cleansers, and I feel like my skin usually feels very stripped and dry after. This one has no smell at all. Like, this one has genuinely no smell. For my fragrance sensitive skin girlies, there you go. Now we're gonna use the Glacier Water Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Looks super cute, and it looks exactly the texture I was expecting. This you can obviously tell is more thin because of the amount of bubbles it produces and the speed of the bubbles. Little science tip for you. You shake this one up and the bubbles are very slow, then you know how like thick it is. I need to go wet a cotton pad. I will go wet this. Be right back. It's so funny because you guys can probably hear me right now, but you can't see me. Just putting some water. Can you hear the water? I hope you can hear the water. I'm walking back to you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just wet the cotton pad. We're gonna put the serum on there and test it out. Okay, honestly speaking, these two steps, I would probably not do them in the same day unless do a splash and pat type thing, because two of those on my face, no matter how gently or whatever, I feel like it's just like too much. But right now, still feeling somehow somewhat moisturized, even though I'm cleaning my skin. Hyaluronic acid, I feel like it's just for brightening and acne prevention, so I don't think I'll see any immediate results. They sent 4 different essences. I think I'm only going to use 2 of them, but I will unbox them all. I'm going to use the bean essence and the galactomyces, so let's try it. The texture of this is so good. It's so sticky at first, but then rubbing it on my skin, it's not sticky at all, which is good for like nighttime skincare. Next, I'm going to use the galactomyces ferment essence. This one is a lot more liquidy, so I'm just going to like put some on my hand and slap my face. You'll see in a second. Not gonna lie, the texture of my skin feels honestly pretty good. It doesn't feel like heavy or oily. Even after just putting all that stuff on it, it doesn't feel very like sticky and greasy. But I did realize that this package did not come with a moisturizer. Completely fine. I didn't pay for any of this, guys, so I am more than happy. So I'm just gonna use my own Equate moisturizer really quickly. I decided to use this one because it is water-based, just like most of these products, so I feel like it's a good pairing. But honestly, guys, my skin feels pretty good. I swear before filming this, I was like, dang, I'm about to come on here barefaced and my skin looks terrible, but after doing everything, I feel pretty comfortable. Like, I know there's still some scarring, like, that's not gonna go away in a matter of like 20 minutes of skincare. All that's left is the sun cream. It has a very similar look to the cleanser, which is in my restroom. I would say I'm pretty satisfied, and my skin feels pretty clean. Yeah, so this is the skincare done, guys. So iconic. I think I'm gonna sleep so good. Hopefully in the morning my skin also feels very refreshed. I am just genuinely impressed by the fact that it was able to get rid of the texture on my chin and my T-zone, because I have always had texture there, and I have a feeling it was definitely the cleansing steps that did that. And so definitely, guys, if you want to clear out some congestion in your skin, switch to double cleansing with a cleansing oil and a foaming cleanser. I have seen so many people's skin just make a complete 360 with that step, and I myself do suffer from some acne and some congestion, and I feel like just that step alone in one night has made a difference in the texture. Thank you so much for watching, and go do your skincare, girl. Go do your skincare, girly. That's all. Bye. Ciao.